Hey there, I'm sure you've heard a song that you like, maybe the kick, the snare, or the rim shot, or just some part of the drum elements, and you wish you had that particular sample. I'm going to show you how to pull it out from virtually any song using this simple technique in FL Studio. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is listen to the song, find the part that has the least element and has more of the drums. Like for example, this is a song from Belash Mother titled Many Things. In the beginning of the track, the drums were predominant before the instruments came in. So I'm going to play it now so you hear. So you can see just about this from this part right here, right? You can hear the keys and other bass lines and everything coming in. So I'm not going to use this part. So I'm going to just reduce this, okay? But now if I pop it up, you can still see this is still the full song, okay? So now I'm going to do something now, which is making it unique so that I can have just this sample loop. So now what I'm going to do, right, is select it, then come right here, make unique as sample. You can either make unique as sample or you can consolidate track, okay? But let's consolidate this track from track starts. All right. Yes, we want it to be stereo. Rap remainder, yes. So we're going to start. So now it's on its own. All right. So now we take out the original sample. So now we're going to select this. Now there are two ways you can do this. You can either use, when you right click this, when you double click this and you have this panel come up, you can right click here and you're going to see Slice X channel. Let's open a new Slice X channel and open in Fruity Slicer channel. Now I prefer using Slice X channel because I have more control over it. Okay. Now you're going to see it automatically map out the drum parts. Okay. And you can route this is already routed to your MIDI keyboard, right? Or you can just play it with these buttons right here, these highlighted buttons. I prefer to use MIDI keyboard. Okay. So my MIDI keyboard is triggering different parts of it. So now, let me pull out this so I can use as regular samples in FL Studio. So I can hear a little bit of glitch. So I'm going to come right here, introduce another marker. What this marker do, right, is that they simply give the region of control. All right. Like for example, if I reduce this, you can see it sounds different. And if I expand it, you can hear more of it. Okay. Let's now, because the reason I'm trying to fine tune this is I'm trying to avoid glitch or clicks or pops when I'm having my samples. So that is likely to occur if you do not cut out the transients properly. So I think I'll come right here again, introduce another one. Yeah, I think that's what I need. Okay, we don't need this last two, okay? So I'm going to just have this now with my MIDI keyboard. You can see this is already highlighted red, okay? I'm going to open up my channel rack. Now I'm going to show you a score log, okay? There is this MIDI score. You don't need that. You can simply just take that out. But now when you play this, you can just, you see this button right here, this arrow with S at the bottom, right, as a subscript. Just have it right here. See, now you have the kick, but if you can hear it closely, you can hear a little bit of glitch. So now we have to go back again, right? Make sure we don't have any more glitch. Just double click it, right? Then have, now I think it's good to go. So we're going to overwrite this. Now you can see it's free from any clicks or pops. So we're going to do that again. Come right here. Have it loaded up. Perfect. Same thing. Same thing. Now we have the different parts. Now we have a kick, a rim shot, a percussion, and another kick layered with a rim shot. All right, we're going to continue with the lesson in a bit, but I want to let you know about my private one-on-one lessons where I teach people like you how to make much better music. So if you're still struggling with mixing, mastering, or making beats, just hit the link in the description below that says one-on-one private lessons. I'm going to respond back to you promptly. Now, if you know that you need results and YouTube is not helping you as fast as you wish it was, then this is the program for you. I do offer a full money back guarantee, so you have nothing to fear. All you are guaranteed of is results, results, results. All right, now let's go back to the tutorial. So now let's build a simple drum track with this. So I'm going to just adjust my tempo to, let's say, 102. Okay. So let's see. Now we can, of course, take this out now. We don't need that anymore. I could just have this here. All right, so let's build this drum a little bit more. Let's add a shaker loop. So if you notice, this has a little bit of delay, so we can just do is edit it in audio editor. Take out the earlier starts, all right? So that it arrives earlier, right? And then overwrites it. So you can do that for any, you can also do this for this sample as well if you like. Let's add just a nice chord progression. So now I have this chord playing. This is really nice. I think I'm going to finish this beat up later. All right. So now you can see this was all we got from just this simple sounding. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave me with a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Cheers.